Beta testing. Beta testing is something that every good programmer does. Every programmer has to test their code in some way. And games are definitely no exception. Games actually are more important for testing because not only do you have to make sure they work, you have to make sure they work and are fun. So, what I want you to do is make sure you get somebody, a friend or family member, to play your game, and then make sure you ask some really important questions. These questions you want to form in what's called open-ended. That means not ones they can answer with a yes or no. So don't ask somebody, was my game fun? They might just say yes, but then you would never know why your game was fun. So a better question is that one. Why was my game fun? And this forces them to evaluate your game a little deeper. Maybe ask them what aspects of the game did they enjoy. This allows them to kind of point out specifics about your game. Maybe ask them, what was confusing about my game? It is really important that you find any confusion because confusion usually does not create a fun environment. The next one would be, what did you understand the goal of the game? Every game is going to have some sort of goal. Is that to get the high score? Is that to get the ball in the net? Whatever it might be, you will probably have some sort of goal for the game. And the question is, did they understand what it was? And don't tell them the goal. Make sure you hear what they say is the goal, and maybe you realize that their goal is better than your goal, or maybe that you need to make your goal more obvious. And then finally, ask them maybe a very specific question on how to make your game better. So what would make my game more entertaining? Asking them straight up for advice might give you some really cool ideas. Now, what I want you to do for this understanding challenge is take those ideas, write them all down, make sure you ask those questions after they played your game, and then write down also, how do you think you will make your game better? So put all that down in the understanding challenge, and now we will move on to the final activity where we will build the final state of our game. So look forward to seeing you there. See you in the next one.